Urban Classic True Diversity dual handled microphones. So we'll unbox the thing and learn how to connect it, disconnect it, change the frequencies and lot more. So let's check out. So comes with a easy end case. Start this. Premium design. Goes here, neatly packed. So this is your receiver with balanced out, phono out and 4 antennas. Quickly take the antennas. 1. That's your antennas. Then your handled microphone. 2 of them. That's your P38 for your mix out. The power adapter. And this is your rack mounting clips. So let's start. Unpacking of the box, the previous slide, and from here onwards just show how to pair it, and I'll give the description of about the product. Okay, so let's start. Once you connect your mics, okay, so this is your balanced out in case you want to take 2 different thing, and then this is your P38, that's your phono out if you want to take both your mic inputs together. These are your 4 mics for your true diversity range. Now to turn it on, so now you see this is your RF mode, that is it shows the strength of the signal from your mic to the receiver, and the other AF is the strength where your voice to your mic is calculated. So let's turn on the mics. So now if you see, it shows 660.875. so this is not bad. This is at about 635.875, and the frequencies here are at different. So let's see how to pair these up. So it's simple. So this is the mic. Just hit your IR select, then show your mic here. let me do this. So now I hit IR select, press once, show this to your mic. Now as soon as it pairs, you see your RF signal shows your full strength, that is your mic to your receiver is at a good strength. Now the second one, which is your AF, it shows how much it is picking up the voice. So if the voice signal is clear, it goes on the peak performance, and if it is low, it shows it lower. So that's how you check. Then this is your volume in case you want to increase or reduce the volume. Now similarly we'll pair the other mic as well. So now the other mic is about at 635.875 and here it is at 642.375. So let's hold it for a second. Just press once, show it, and it is paired. That's that easy. If you see, now I have both the mics connected, so you can talk. Now in case if you don't want your frequencies to be changed, so you can lock the frequencies, and to lock the frequency you have to just press your audio channel and it shows lock. So now no matter what you do, your frequencies will not change. So this is useful when you have the 2 and more number of sets of the same mic. So you'll have different channels for different mic and there shouldn't be any interference. So this is quite useful at that point of time. And to unlock it again, just hold it and it's done. On the mic, if you can see, it shows you the battery strength and your pilot. A very nice solid aluminum body, a very nice grip, and the base is again a ABS plastic, which helps you in case of accidental fall. Okay, so now when you want to so this is your desktop mic. So the batteries. That's it. I can adjust the way I want to talk. And now if you see, let's unpair one of these mics. So I just turn it off. The moment I turn it off, see, it says this is light off now. So this is gone out, and just that this mic is connected. You see. Now let's pair this one. If you see, this is in IR sensor here. So it's again the same. Hold this for a few seconds. Press. First thing is we turn this on. You see the frequency on it is about 640 and here it is different. So let's pair it up. So I just press once and show it here. IR. There it is. So it is 639.375. Your 639.375. Let's test it. So that's your mic 1. So if you see, this is the signal, the strength is correct, but it's not picking up the mic. There's no AF signals. So now it is picking up. Why? Because once you press this button, so here when I try to talk, there's no signal. So this is possibly that your AF, which is your mic to receiver, is paired, but you don't get the audio out of it. What would be the possible reason? If you see it on the screen, it shows mute. So you just press the talk button once and it goes on mute, so you don't see anything. Again press it once, now you see, so it picks up there. So you have an option of muting it. So you have an option to mute the mic and talk, so release the mute. So this is how you pair it, and this is the other strength. So when both of us are using the mic simultaneously, let's see. So check, how's it? Yep. So you see the strength, so that fast it picks it up. Bye. I think this is enough. One more thing, in case you want to change the channel, so you have another set of mic, so you have to just long press IR, it blinks, and then you can select whichever frequency you want to select with, and then you can pair your mic again the same way. Bring it here, press your IR, select once, show it, that's it. Now you see it is 616, tuned to 616. So now you've seen how to pair a mic. You can have a different combination of mic with your desktop one, your handheld, and a body pack, where you can pair any of these. You can pair a number of mics in case you have a function, you have an event where you planning to connect 10 or 12 mics together. You can use a multiple of these, stack them up, and assign different frequencies so that none of the mics interfere with each other. And being a true diversity microphone, the pickup is gonna be awesome. This is one of the finest wireless microphones from Urban Classic, and it can be used in multiple places, whether it is house of worship, in your conference rooms, for your auditorium, and on and on.